In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into a Microsoft account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make the right choices for security and convenience. All you need is a web browser, a reliable internet connection, and your Microsoft sign-in details. If you don't have an account yet, there's a Create Account option on the site. But today we're focusing on signing in. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft account website. You can type Microsoft Account Sign In into your search engine or enter the address directly. Before you proceed, take a quick look at the address bar to make sure you're on a genuine Microsoft page. You should see a secure connection indicator in your browser and a Microsoft domain. This simple check helps keep your information safe and avoids phishing pages that try to mimic the real site. Next, click the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft email, phone number, or Skype name associated with your account. Click Next, and then enter your password or PIN. Depending on your setup, you may also see options like using an Authenticator app, a security key, or Windows Hello. Choose the method you normally use. If your password isn't working, make sure Caps Lock isn't on and use the Show option to confirm you typed it correctly. If you've turned on two-step verification, follow the on-screen prompts to approve the sign-in with your chosen method. Take your time here. Accuracy is key to getting in smoothly while keeping your account secure. After your credentials are accepted, you'll likely see a prompt asking if you want to stay signed in. Choosing Yes keeps you signed in on that device, so you won't have to enter your details every time. This is convenient on a personal computer or phone that only you use. If you're on a shared or public device, choose No to protect your account. Some versions of this screen include an option to reduce how often you're asked. Use it only on trusted devices. Remember, you can always sign out later if you change your mind. Once you complete that step, you'll land on your Microsoft account dashboard. From here, you can manage your profile, subscriptions, devices, and security settings. If you ever need to sign out, look for your profile icon at the top right and select Sign Out. That's it. Simple, secure, and done. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.